What's going on, guys? So, if you were on the live stream on Friday, I said I was loading the boat on hymns. I said I was buying hymns, and I said I was buying MNMD options. And yeah, we cashed in today. Um, yeah, I mean that was the play of the day was load the boat on hymns. So if you weren't on the live stream, the link is in the description of the video. It's on my other channel. It's just called Cove Trader. Sign up for that channel and join us live every day. We stream 10:30 to noon, and again 2 o'clock till about 4:30. I talk options. I talk futures. We go over everything. But yeah, so this was the P&L for today. This is what we have left. I sold the majority of my. I sold all of my hymns. I sold. I sold my U longer calls. I just have next week 21s. Um, what else do I have? I sold my VKTX. I got rid of that. Meta was a flip. That was an intraday flip. I bought and sold that today. I sold MNMD. And yeah, and Tesla was an intraday short. That what was crazy was I was trying to keep my short, my stop loss about $200, and I got bottom ticked, and I could have made 200. So that could have been a $400 swing. It wasn't. I just missed out on it. But it happens. It is what it is. But as you can see, I've definitely lightened everything that I have. Basically, I have Oxy tomorrow. Delo is Wednesday. And that's pretty much it. I mean, I'm getting worried. I'll just pull up a chart of the Qs. We'll go for the daily chart, and I will just get rid of some of these indicators. But I mean, this is what the Qs look like right now. Uh, at the bare minimum, I would think that we would retest the highs, which would be about 10 points lower on the Qs, which is not much. It's like a 2% pullback. But I just feel like we got the Trump pump. We can obviously keep going. I would just feel more comfortable if we had some type of pullback. I'm not saying we're going to get one, but my bias was to some type of pullback after the Trump pump. We got the pump, and now I'm kind of looking for some type of return back, maybe retest 500. I would love to fill this gap. I don't think that's going to come, but ultimately, I would love something to happen in the economy that really put us back to the 200 or close. I don't know if we're going to get there, but I'm just basically following the big options flow right now. When they come in, I follow. Other than that, I'm not just really taking shots because a lot of things that I like are up a ton. Like I like hymns, I like Hood. The Hood ran from $23 to $33. Like I'm not buying it up here. Same thing with hymns. Hymns is up. We just banked on hymns. I'm gonna wait for a pullback. So some of investing is just waiting. So I am gonna just wait. I'm not gonna just jump in because I got FOMO and then regret my decision in 2 weeks. So I'm just gonna sit there. I'll wait for a pullback. Like I said, I'm just gonna take it day by day. The only thing now I kind of narrow what I invest in. I'm just narrowing it down to big options flow. And once we get a pullback, I'm gonna leg into some of these positions. It's just like at this point, like look at where some of these stocks are that I like. Like, how can I buy up here? I mean, just the other day we were at 23. I can't buy there. I mean, I just look at some of these things that I like, and we're just up too much. SoFi, like, not buying up here. Um, D'Lo hasn't gone yet. That's why I own it. But just certain things where I want to own, I just can't own where it is, and that's kind of where I'm at. Um, so I'm just gonna sit here. Lemonade is one. Damn, Lemonade took off. But that's what I'm saying is we were just trading down at the low 20s. Now we're at 34. Like I'm not buying it up 50%. It's just that's not how my investing strategy works. So I'm just going to take a step back, wait until some of these things pull back, and when they do, I'll start legging in. I don't need to do anything. I'm just going to sit and wait. Celsius, I think, is taking its final leg down. I think this is going to be a leg down to the low 20s. And I think once we're around the low 20s, the value is going to be there. And, low 20s, if you think about it, is almost 40% down from here. But that's what I'm looking for. PLTR is another one. Love it. But I don't love it at $60. I'll just move on to something else. So that's where I'm at. And yeah. So if you want anything real time, be sure to join us live. All right. See you guys on the stream.